Straight, relax and sit. Close your eyes. Start with Om 3 times and say the prayer together. Om. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha, Akhanda Mandalakaram, Vyaptam Yena Characharam, Tatpadam Dashitam Yena, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Harihi Om, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Slowly open your eyes. We will be doing very slowly and fully relaxed. And general logic in Yogasana is whenever you bend, you exhale. Whenever you stretch, you inhale. And automatically it happens. Here, what I am going to explain is mostly all simple ones and which will be relaxing total your body. So just relax and do, and you do your maximum. Do not strain more than what you can do. So if you feel it is more difficult, then relax. You can relax in Shavasana. In between, we will be doing Shavasana also. So let us start with the toning of our body. So toning is, we will be, each part of our body we will be toning. From the left leg we will start. So slowly press, release. From the feet you can start. Press, release, press, release, press, release, press, release, press, release, press, release. Come up to the hips. 2 times. 2 times to the left. After the left leg, change to right leg. Slowly feel each part of your body and then slowly press, release, press, release, press, release. Once again, slowly keep your eyes closed and watch each part of your body, how you are pressing and how much relaxation you are getting. Watch your body. Okay, after the legs, slowly your back hip come up, slowly up, 2 times. Now from the lower abdomen, press, release, press, release, press, release, come up and end up to the heart side. Again, do it once again. From lower abdomen, come up. Okay. Now upper back and shoulder. Left hand, now right side. Okay. Now we are going to do for the left hand from the palms, slowly press, release, press, release, press, release. Come up to your shoulders. 2 times. Once again, Good. Now change to right hand. Slowly press, release, press, release. Do it 2 times up to your shoulder. Now to your neck. Then come up to your face. Feel each part of your face. Come to your ears, head. Okay. Now slowly open your eyes. Now we are going to do Ardha Paschimottanasana. For that, we'll start with left leg. Stretch your left legs forward. Bring your right leg to the thighs. Let it touch your thighs and keep your hands by the side. And raise your hands with inhalation and bend with exhalation. Slowly raise your hand. When you feel like inhaling, slowly come up from this side. Once again. Okay, now slowly change your leg to the right leg. Right leg stretch. Bring your left leg to the thighs and sit straight, hand side. Then slowly raise your hands with inhalation and bend. Two times. Okay. Now we are going to Shavasana. For Shavasana, we will be going from the left side. You keep your left hand support, then turn to your left side and lie down. Lie down facing up. Full body is relaxed on the floor and legs are little apart. Hands are facing up, little apart. Now see that your body is fully relaxed, facing up. Breathe is normal. Just relax. Now we are going to come out of Shavasana. For that, first raise your left hand up, bend your right leg, turn to your left side and sit up. So while going to Shavasana also from the left side and while coming out of Shavasana also is from the left side. Now we are going to do Pavana Muktasana. That also we will lie down in Shavasana and do it. So all of you lie down in Shavasana once again from your left side. And if you want to see how I am doing, you can watch and then do. Okay, go to Shavasana. Pavana Muktasana is you lie down in Shavasana. For the left leg, we will start. Raise your left leg, hold your knees, bring it closer to your body, take your head up and touch the forehead. 2 times for the left leg. Then stretch your left leg, bend your right leg. Do it for the right leg 2 times. Now, both legs together, we are going to bring it. Hold both legs together, raise your head and touch your knees. Now go to Shavasana. Lie down in Shavasana, relax. Whenever you go to Shavasana, just relax. Your body is fully relaxed. Legs are a little apart, hands are a little apart so that you feel full relaxation in your body. Now we are going to do rolling. You bring your legs together as in Pavana Muktasana. Move forward and backward. This is a variation in Pavana Muktasana. 4 times you can do. Then left and right. Left and right. Now go to Shavasana. Now we are going to do little bit cycling and scissors twist for the legs. So raise your leg. You can give support with your hands to your hip also. Slowly do your maximum and you're going to cycle to the sky. 4 times to the clockwise and 4 times anti-clockwise. Then you can do scissors twisting for the left and right, front and back. 4 times each. Then slowly lie down in Shavasana. Come to Shavasana. Relax. Now we are going to do Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana is you are going to lift both legs together up and bring your body also straight. It will be perpendicular to the ground and you do your maximum, don't strain. If you can't lift your hip, you do only that much. Others, you can lift your hip also. Slowly raise your legs together, straight, straight to the sky. Give support to your hip, don't strain. Be there for your maximum. And when you feel like coming back, you can slowly come back, but be there for your maximum. And those who can leave your hands and stretch like this can do that also. This is Sarvangasana. And when you come back, give support and come. Do not strain. Slowly with the hip, with the hands, you give support your hip. Then lie down in Shavasana. Lie down in Shavasana. The thumb rule is that if you are in Sarvangasana for 30 seconds, you have to lie down in Shavasana for 60 seconds. Double the time you need to lie down in Shavasana. Now next one is Halasana. Halasana is similar like Sarvangasana. You will be lifting your leg and bring it to the back. Slowly, if you want to see, you can just watch and then do. Slowly raise your legs. Give support with your hands to the hip and bring the legs to the back. If you can bring the hands straight, it's fine. Do your maximum. And slowly come back. Give support to your hip. Do not leave your legs suddenly. Slowly bring back. Lie down in Shavasana. Now we are going to do Chakrasana. So you can just watch. You will be lifting the mid portion of your body. So bring your legs closer to your hips. Then raise the mid portion of your body with the support of your hands and legs. You will be lifting your body up like a chakra. Your maximum. Slowly come down. You can do 2 times. Once again. Now go to Shavasana. Lie down in Shavasana. Relax. Now, all of you can slowly come out of Shavasana and sit. So raise your left hand up, hold your right leg, turn to your left, and with the support of your hands, sit. Now, next one is Malsyantrasana or Malsyasana. For that, either you can sit in Vajrasana or in Sukhasana also, and then go back. So I'll show you from the left side. can watch. And slowly come back, lie down, and lift your mid portion of your body and hold your feet. Your head is touching ground. Then you can relax your Vajrasana and lie down in Shavasana. Sorry, Padmasana. Relax your Padmasana and lie down in Shavasana. Now you're going to turn around your body and you're going to lie down in Makarasana. Makarasana is like a small child lying down on the belly. So turn around your body totally. Yeah, lie down on your belly. Then first you can turn to your left side. Keep your hands below your face. Turn to your left side. Bend your left leg. Keep your right leg straight. Right leg is straight. Bend your left leg. This is also a relaxation position like Shavasana, like a small child. You are lying down. You take 100% relaxation in this position also. Now next one is Bhujangasana. So straighten your legs and keep your palms just below your shoulders. Keep your head straight. Legs are together, straight. Raise your upper body up to your abdomen. Do not raise more than abdomen. Bend down again. Once again. Now third time, fully up. Look up. This is Bhujangasana. Now lie down in Makarasana to the right side. Turn your head to right. Your right leg is folded, left leg is straight. Face is towards the right side. Close your eyes and lie down. Relax. Now we are going to do Shalabhasana. So come to the belly once again straight. Now keep the hands like Adi Mudra, both hands. Keep it below your thighs. Now turn your head to left side. Raise your left leg only. Raise your left leg. Stretch it. Bring down. Once again, left leg. Stretch. Now turn your head to right side. Raise your right leg. Stretch. and down. Once again, raise your right leg, stretch. Bring down. Now keep your head straight, both legs together. Straight, stretch, bring down. Once again, bring down. Now go to Makarasana to the left side. Bend your left leg, straighten your right leg, turn your head to the left side. Keep your hands below your face. Relax. Now lie down on your belly, straight your body. Then hold your feet with your hands like this. Now you're going to stretch and make it Dhanurasana. It's like a bow. Only your abdomen or belly will be touching. Look straight, stretch. You can move forward, backward also if possible. Otherwise, just be there. Left and right also is possible. You can turn. Stretch fully. Now, release. Come to Makarasana to the right side. Turn your right leg, bend your right leg, stretch your left leg, turn your head to the right side and lie down. Relax. Now from this position, come to Shavasana. Turn your body, whole body. Lie down in Shavasana, facing up. Keeping your palms facing up, legs lifted apart, head straight up. Fully relax. Lie down in Shavasana. Now we are going to do Markatasana. For that, bring both your legs up like this, folded. Keep it close to your body. Now stretch your hands to both sides. Now turn your head to left side, bend your body to right side. Now slowly come back to the opposite. Turn your head to right side, bend your body to left side. Once again. Now lie down in Shavasana. Bring your hands by the side of your body, legs little apart, relax. Now all of you slowly come out of Shavasana. Raise your left hand up, bend your right leg, turn to your left side and slowly sit up. Okay. Now we are going to do Vakrasana. Vakrasana is little turning the body. So first we will do with the left leg. You are going to fold your left leg and keep it below your hip. Okay, first, and this is straight to your body. Okay, left leg is straight. And now you're going to take the right leg and keep it to the other side of the left leg. Okay, now take your left hand up, left hand. Okay, bring it to this side of your right leg and hold your feet and keep the right hand bending back. Okay, now slowly relax. Okay, slowly relax. We'll do it for the right leg also. Bend the right leg and this is straight your body. Bring the left leg above it and bring the right hand from this left side and hold the fingers and then turn your body, head back, looking back, relax. Let us do once again to the left and right. Okay, you will be expert then. Now, once again to the left leg. Okay. Okay, now to the right leg. Let's look back. Do your maximum. Don't strain. Now we are going to do Mahamudra. Mahamudra is bringing the hands back and you are going to hold like this, okay, behind. Hold your hands together. Either you can sit in Sukhasana or Padmasana also, whichever is comfortable. Now you are going to exhale and come down and bend your head down and touch the head to the floor if possible. Slowly come up. Once again, you can even say Om so that you will get exhale, exhale, exhale when you bend down. Om. Relax. Now we will do standing up and we are going to do Tadasana. So slowly stand up. Okay. The Tadasana is raising the hands up and now stretch your whole body from the feet Even feet is stretched as if somebody is pulling up. Once again. Relax. Now we will do Padahastasana. Just like inhale and go up. Exhale and bend, 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 bend. Do not bend your knees. Touch your feet with your hand. Be there for maximum. And slowly raise up. Now feel the relaxation in your whole body. Once again, Padahastasana. Raise your hands up. Exhale and come down. Bend, bend, bend. Okay. Now stretch your legs little apart. Hold your hip, and all of you are going to turn to your left. Your left. Bend, 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 bend. Now take your right hand up and stretch. Slowly come back. Now to the right side. Bend, 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 bend. Stretch, stretch maximum. Now take your left hand up, stretch, and slowly come back. Feel the relaxation. Now we are going to bend to the back. Bend the front. Once again back. Come to front. Stand straight. Now you can rotate your hip little bit. 8 times to the clockwise and 8 times to the anti-clockwise. Okay. Keep your legs little more closer. Only your hip is rotating. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now all of you please sit down and go to Shavasana position. You can lie down in Shavasana. Lie down in Shavasana, fully relaxed. Your hands little apart, legs little apart, full relax. Now we are going to do Brahmari. Brahmari is making a sound like in the Om sound, like that. Okay, so closing your eyes, you will start doing the sound of Brahmari. once again. Close your eyes and lie down in Shavasana. And we are going to do a progressive relaxation for your whole body, starting from your feet. So what you are going to do is, you are going to stretch each part of the body and relax. So now let us do your feet. Both feet, concentrate on your feet and stretch, 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 relax. Now to your legs, both legs, concentrate on your legs, stretch, 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 relax. Now concentrate on your both both thighs and knees. You're going to stretch, 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 relax. Now your hip and abdomen part, you are going to stretch, 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 relax. Now you are going to stretch your chest and the upper portion of the body. Stretch, 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 relax. Now you are going to stretch your palms, both palms together, whole fingers you are going to stretch, 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 relax. Now your left and right lower arms, you are going to stretch, 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 relax. Now the upper arm and shoulders, both left and right, stretch, 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 relax. Now you are going to stretch your neck, stretch, 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 relax. Now you are going to stretch your face, stretch, 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 relax. Now you are going to stretch your head part, whole head, stretch, 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 relax. Fully in Shavasana, lie down in Shavasana, full relaxed. Now you are going to come out of Shavasana. Slowly raise your left hand up Bend your right leg, turn to your left side, using both hands, support, slowly sit up. Now we'll do little bit meditation. You keep your back straight, fully relaxed. You don't have to strain. Keep little bit straight, that's enough. And fully relaxed. If you can keep your hands one above the other, left hand and over that right hand. We are going to do it together. As if you are going off to sleep, close your eyes calmly. Close your eyes. Just follow the instruction. Until I ask you to open your eyes, please keep your eyes closed. Fully relax and sit. There is nothing to be done here. Just relax and sit. Your breathing is normal. There is no strain in your face. Calmly close your eyes and continue. Whatever happens outside, it's all right. Just relax and sit. Some thoughts may come. Let it come and let it go. Again, some more thoughts may come. Let it come and let it go. You do not have to restrict any thoughts. Let it come and let it go. Neither do not create any thoughts also. Just relax and sit. You do not need to follow any thoughts also. Just relax and sit. Whatever happens inside also, it's all right. Just relax and sit. In another 2 minutes, you will be opening your eyes. Until then, keep your eyes closed. Now take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Once again, take another deep breath. Now, bring your palms together and rub it together. Both the palms, keeping your eyes closed, and slowly massage your face with your palms. Then slowly massage your head. Slowly massage your neck, and then come down to your shoulders and hands. Each other. Right hand, massage your left hand with left arm. Left palm, massage your right hand. Then from the chest, come down to your abdomen, front portion of your body, 2 times. Then back portion from upper back to lower back. Then come to your legs, slowly up to your feet, 2 times. Bend your head down, slowly open your eyes. Close your eyes once again. Open your eyes. When you're comfortable, you can look here, and we will say the final prayer and close. So keep your back straight, Om 3 times, and you can repeat along with me. Om. 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 Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Jai Gurudev. This ends total 1 hour session of our yogasana and meditation. Exactly 1 hour we took. So I'll just pause this recording and then we will talk.